Hello goddesses, and welcome back to another unboxing video. I'm so excited about today's video because I've been wanting a perfume, this particular perfume, for a very long time. And if you guys want to know some of my favorite fragrances, I just did a video not too long ago. I'll go ahead and link it down in the description area as well as the comment section if you guys are interested in watching that one right after this one. Honestly, I can't contain myself. Like, it was so hard for me not to open this box on the drive home. I mean, need I say more? The box kind of speaks for itself. It's a really cute little gold box. It matches the boxing and the packaging for the Dior fragrance. Like, I just knew that once I undid this ribbon, it was game over. It's just so satisfying to me. I'm definitely gonna be reusing this box. Like, I will probably use it to put like very cute storage in my room or in my home. I don't know what I'm gonna store in there, but I have a really cute box if I ever need to store something. So I will also be reusing the bow. I kind of want to add the bow to my hair. There we go. I'm also wearing these really fun little like butterfly clips. I don't know if you guys can tell or see them, but I got these actually recently from Ulta. They were, I think, $10 for a 4-pack, which I think is really cool. I don't know how I'm feeling the bow. The bow, does the bow gotta go? Does the bow gotta go? Is it clashing? Or should I put it like up here? Okay, the bow's coming off. So we're gonna use it as like a little wrist cuff today. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and finish opening it. I'm just gonna start with the purse because I wanted to see what this looked like so bad. It almost looks like Gucci because of the little like bee, but let's see, let's open it. So I opened the clasp. She's very basic on the inside. Add like a gold or a silver like chain, like the ones they sell on Amazon, and rock it as like a really nice purse. Like, I think it looks very high end. It doesn't say Dior or anything on it, but I don't know if this like little guy right here on the top actually symbolizes something, but it does feel really, really nice. It actually kind of feels like those Balenciaga bags. So I know that it's gonna like definitely keep up with my like busy lifestyle, which I love. And I love how this part right here is like a really nice suede material. It's really beautiful. Then it looks like it came with a little like mini fragrance, but I love putting these in my little like travel bags. Like if I ever do go on vacation, which you guys know I go on vacation quite frequently. So these are nice to have. Then it looks like we have a bath and shower gel, which I'll unbox right now. I low-key want to keep the stickers because the stickers are so pretty. I don't know if anybody else does that. Oh, I should have made this an ASMR. That's fine. Ah! We're too far into this video. We're too far invested. Ooh. So pretty. Little ASMR moment. And this one twists together. Oh, it's just such a good scent. This beautifying body cream. You guys can totally see my reflection. But it says J'adore. I love how it all has this like little like gold loops. It's really fun. Comes with a little like scooper. Now, is this for your eyes? It says this intensely smooth beautifying cream is enriched with cotton nectar. I don't know if you guys can see it good, but even the little scooper has Dior on it, which is just so adorable. Put her on the hand. I'm very picky when it comes to like lotions and stuff like that. Like, I don't like it to be sticky where it's like tacky on my hands. Like, I just feel like that's gross. But this is definitely something that I would like do on like a self-care day. Like, if I wanted to feel very pampered, I would put like my nice robe on, I would light a candle, I would use my bath shower oil, I would use my nice cream, I would probably put like a spray of my fragrance on and do a face mask, have a coffee, you know, just give back to myself and make myself feel luxurious and pampered and beautiful. Make myself feel like a goddess, make myself feel worthy, because I am. And I think that if you want to do a little splurge gift like this for yourself, yourself. I am so for it because I think so many of us don't give back to ourselves enough sometimes. I just love you guys so much, and I just wanted to give you guys a really quick reminder in the middle of this video that you are worthy of everything that your heart desires and then some. Let's go on to the perfume. I was getting a little emotional there right now. I feel like tears. I get emotional because it is something that took me so many years to like overcome, like lack of self-worth. And now that I'm older and in a different mindset, I just feel like giving back knowledge that I've learned throughout the years. And it might seem very simple to like love yourself, but trust me, I've been there. Sometimes finding that self-worth is a journey, and once you get there, you just want to spread the love to everybody. You just want to like encourage others to get there, because it's so much better than being in that opposite energy that's like so draining and it doesn't serve you at all, goddess. So let's go ahead and open this next box, the actual perfume. This is the Dior J'adore, which I'm super excited to unbox. And again, I'm so grateful and happy that I finally can add it to my collection. So let me go ahead and show you what the bottle looks like. Ooh. And I'm for real about keeping the stickers. Like, I'm that girl, like I will keep all like these like really cute little like random pieces of design or something. Everything just flopped to the ground immediately. But the sound of it, excellent, loved it. Anyways, this is the bottle. And like I said on the cream, I just love how cohesive this collection is. Like everything really matches, and this little like gold ripple effect right here is just so beautiful. It kind of reminds me of like Cleopatra. Like if Cleopatra was to have like her own scent and her own fragrance, like this would probably be it. It's very queen-like status with like the little diamond accent on the top, and it's an amazing scent. So this is what the bottle looks like without the top. I love how detailed everything is. It even has a little Christian Dior symbol. It's like I smelt it in the store, but after smelling like 20 perfumes before it. I was looking at all the ones with the gift with purchase. But this one was towards the end. Like I didn't even see it, because whenever you go to like you know, a department store, they always like bombard you. So whatever aisle you decide to go in first, like people are just like, do you want to try this? Do you want to try this? Do you want to try this? And I really did try like probably 15 to 20 different scents before I saw this one, and I was like, oh, I've always wanted that one. And then I just smelt it in the store, but I already kind of knew in my heart of hearts that I was like, I'm gonna get it. Then I saw the box, hands down, like I didn't have to look at any more fragrances. Like I just knew that this was the one that was meant for me, and I love it. And I think that it's timelessly beautiful. And if you haven't already tried out this scent, J'adore Dior from Dior, I highly recommend to try it. I hope you enjoyed unboxing this new fragrance with me as much as I enjoyed opening it. Love you guys so much. Remember that you are worthy. You are so worthy. And I will see you guys on my next one.